Sibikile-ke bafethu edukwane sizobheka another female shining star uThando Shisane who's making a difference in the skincare industry through icompany yakhe uThando Glow Skincare. Lalela usesiza inqwaba yabantu besimame especially oDaki abaneyinkinga zesikhumba kodwa eseyixazululekile. Hayi bo akuyona move and shake it thing ukucelebrate leyo asiyibambe iphethe iziphi. Bafethu bayike lesisteri bafethu lo muntu usafala kwicategory ye youth wathi mayiphelele umsebenzi kamasipala wangahlala ekhaya wakhala but into ayenza wavele wathatha le business serious buka namhlanje likuphi.
While growing up, Thando had a skin problem which worsened in her high school years. This condition brought her self-esteem down to the ground until she met a dermatologist who changed her fortunes around in 2016. She then saw an opportunity to turn her ordeal into a business. In partnership with the same dermatologist, they came up with a variety of skincare solutions which gave birth to uThando Glow Skincare that has helped scores of African women since then.
Dermatologist ngiyakwazi ukuthi ngihlanganisele ama ingredients nani ngabuyela back kubantu ngabatshela ukuthi senginayo ke into ezokwazi ukuthi nisize ikhumbeni zenu and then abantu bajabula kakhulu ngaqala ngabadayisela abantu ngithethe ngokutshontsha ngelunch yami ngisakwazi ukuthi ngi-enjoy ngiyaphuma ngiya e-workshop ngiyodayisela abantu. Kuthe 3 months down the line kuvele kuthiwa usuphelile umsebenzi ngesakwazi ukuthi siqhubeke nokusebenza. Hlefa leyo ngakwazi ukuthi ngiqhube ngathi naye ngizoqhubeka nebusiness lami. Around 2022 aqala ke lapho ke ngavula ke indawo ke lana kuWestwalk ke ngarenta kuWestwalk ngaqala futhi ngaregister ibusiness as well.
As the business grew, Thando opened another branch in Joburg, but sadly the 2 employees she had employed in the Durban and Joburg branches stole so much that they depleted all profits that Thando had projected from the funding she had worked so hard to obtain.
Isifiso sami ukuthi maybe towards the end of the year ngikwazi ukuthi ngivule i-branch e-Richards Bay and also in PMB because nginama-clients amaningi khona. Abantu besifazane abasukume bayimele. Ayikho into edlula leyo kusukuma uyimele. If you have an idea iqala kulate manje like I always tell even abantu engizwana nabo ukuthi kulate ngempela manje qala uzosizakala ngendlela.
Hayi mfethu akukho mina engisangakusho laba bakuntshontshela ngizobathandazela.
Ngiyacela.
Be sure to catch this young and gifted mover and the shaker on the 7th of October 1800 hours and don't forget to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel Kabisa TV. Washa